Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best party speakers of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best party speakers. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The JBL Party Box Stage 320 is designed to turn any gathering into an unforgettable celebration. Built with powerful JBL Pro sound, this portable party speaker delivers deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs that fill any space with immersive audio. Whether you're hosting indoors or outdoors, its wide soundstage ensures everyone feels the beat. Equipped with a telescopic handle and wide, sturdy wheels, the Party Box Stage 320 is easy to move, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Its durable design ensures reliability, even during energetic events. The speaker also features a futuristic light show that syncs with your music, creating a vibrant atmosphere that enhances every party experience. With up to 18 hours of battery life, you can keep the music going all day and night without interruptions. It also offers versatile connectivity options, allowing you to stream music seamlessly from your devices. Whether at a backyard party, beach gathering, or indoor celebration, the JBL Party Box Stage 320 brings powerful sound, dynamic visuals, and unmatched portability together in one impressive package. Number 2. The Samsung ST40F Sound Tower Portable Party Speaker is designed to bring powerful, immersive audio to any gathering. With its sleek and portable design, this speaker is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with a built-in battery, it delivers up to 12 hours of continuous playtime, ensuring your music keeps going all day or night without interruption. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, the ST40F allows you to easily pair your smartphone or other devices for seamless wireless streaming. Its directional sound technology ensures that audio projected efficiently, filling the space with rich, dynamic sound that enhances any party atmosphere. Built with an IPX4 splash-resistant rating, this speaker can handle light rain or accidental splashes, making it a reliable companion for poolside events or outdoor celebrations. The sturdy construction adds durability while maintaining a modern look. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying music on the go, the Samsung ST40F Sound Tower offers convenience, durability, and impressive sound performance in one portable package. Number 3. The Hotlemon large Bluetooth speaker delivers an impressive audio experience designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With a powerful 240W peak output, it produces loud, clear sound that easily fills large spaces, making it ideal for parties, gatherings, and adventures. The deep bass enhancement ensures rich, immersive audio, allowing you to feel every beat of your favorite music. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth connectivity, the speaker provides a stable and quick pairing experience with your devices. The True Wireless Stereo (TWS) feature allows you to connect 2 speakers for a wider, more dynamic soundstage. Its 15-hour playtime ensures uninterrupted entertainment, while the fast charging capability minimizes downtime. Built with portability in mind, the speaker is easy to carry, making it perfect for outdoor trips, beach days, or camping. Its durable design can withstand various environments, ensuring reliable performance wherever you go. Combining power, convenience, and versatility, the Hotlemon speaker is an excellent choice for anyone seeking high-quality wireless sound. Number 4. Turn any gathering into a high-energy celebration with this large party Bluetooth speaker, delivering an impressive 260W peak power for loud, crystal-clear sound. Engineered with enhanced bass technology, it produces deep, punchy lows and balanced highs that fill any space, whether indoors or outdoors. Perfect for parties, picnics, or beach trips, this speaker ensures your music stays powerful and immersive. Enjoy up to 15 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, so the music never stops when the party is at its peak. With fast charging capability, you can quickly power up and get back to the fun without long waits. The dynamic RGB light show adds a vibrant visual experience, syncing with your music to create an electrifying atmosphere. Equipped with True Wireless Stereo (TWS), you can pair 2 speakers for an even bigger, more immersive soundstage. Despite its powerful output, the speaker remains portable and easy to carry, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure or large gathering. Number 5. The JBL PartyBox 710 is a high-performance party speaker designed to deliver powerful sound and an unforgettable audio experience. Equipped with dynamic drivers and enhanced bass technology, it produces deep, punchy lows and crystal-clear highs that can easily fill large spaces. Whether you're hosting an indoor gathering or an outdoor celebration, This speaker ensures your music is heard and felt. One of its standout features is the built-in customizable light show, which syncs perfectly with the beat of your music. The vibrant lighting adds energy and excitement, transforming any event into a lively party atmosphere. With its durable design and splash-resistant build, the PartyBox 710 is ready for any environment. This renewed version offers the same premium performance at a more affordable price, making it a great value choice. Easy connectivity options, including Bluetooth and USB inputs, allow seamless streaming from your devices. Overall, the JBL PartyBox 710 is a powerful, stylish, and reliable speaker perfect for any music lover.